back to another video. I'm not even sure what I'm going to name this video or what this video is even going to be about. I just have a bunch of footage from when I came back from Bike Week, had a couple cool interactions, got to tow a couple cool bikes. So you'll be seeing that in this video. Last night, we picked up some new wheels. How you doing?
Hello.
You said you had all 4 of them?
Yeah, there's all 4.
Okay, awesome. For you?
They're, I think, you go.
Thank you very much.
Yep. Mine's way thicker.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a wonderful night.
Good night.
Oh yeah. Voila. For the Mustang, as these ones don't want to hold any air and they're all damaged and banged up, so we're gonna set those aside, use those as spares. And as you see, this thing is disgusting. Might as well be green because of all the pollen. So we got to go get a bike, take it down to Sarasota, and then when we get back, I guess we'll wash the car and put the new wheels on. So I'll see you guys when we get the bike.
Is this one my friend?
Alrighty.
Come on, please. I'll try and come up with the extras on it.
Alrighty.
Pushing it out.
Yes, sir. Please. All the way to the front door, please.
Yeah, I'll go hold the door for you.
Please,
Thank you for pushing it for me.
absolutely.
All right, my friend. Where would you like the keys?
You just leave them in the ignition for now. I'm gonna zip tie them to the bike.
Okay.
Be a racer, not a ricer. Money, dude. Yeah. Well, I got the bike off and I fucking suck at recording, so I didn't record it. These are dope. Dude, these things are sick. I'm sure with all after everything else is gonna be like 15 grand. Man, these things are sick. Ugh. Huh?
That's so you can stagger them.
What's that?
That block.
No, it's just so that that flipper doesn't catch that this little piece of plastic right here. It gives me like about 3 inches of room, so that way I can suck the front of the suspension down. Yeah.
Do you put the key on the right side in your right pocket or leave them in the bike?
I zip tie him to the bike.
Good time. Okay.
Yes, sir. I've forgotten keys already, so it's a go-to thing to zip tie them. That money. This thing is beautiful. I like it. I like it. You're clear on my side. Same spot as you, I think. Yes, I'll see you there. Alrighty. Take that down one more time. We're set. Okay. Wow. How you doing?
What's up, my man?
Oh, this place is awesome.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you, man.
Man, all so many cool things. So they going in there?
Yeah, we'll
Okay.
probably put him in here for now.
I'll put them wherever you need, brother. I have another driver coming. I'm surprised I beat him here. He was in front of me
Was he really?
by like 10 minutes.
How you like my Pulizide?
I mean, I like the Shelby more than I like the
Is that crazy?
Porsche.
I had the Porsche. I had it wrapped like German police, and we got a blue light that goes on top.
That's so cool.
When we go to car shows. When we go to car shows, I have about 50 cars.
Holy, yeah, I bet.
They're at my units in, you know where the Enclave is?
They do, yeah.
I've got a few in here, I'll show you.
Oh, I'm excited. Let me get these suckers down for you and I'll start rolling them in. I got all the keys zip tied to the handlebars and everything.
Dude, that is so cool.
I love it. This thing sucks. Hey, buddy, just come all the way in the back.
I see you.
Alrighty, we'll see you here.
Is this all you guys do? Is do
It's all we do is just bike.
Really?
But I love what I do. I love this job. I love bikes. I love cars. And I'm hoping by doing this and doing YouTube stuff, and it'll follow. The money will follow, and I'll be able to hook, you know, hang out with my friends. I mean, if you don't mind me getting personal, and what do you do for work?
But I'm a biomedical engineer, and I have 21 patents in the spine. I design spine implants.
That's awesome.
You don't have a weak stomach, do you?
Nah.
So I design all the hardware that goes in the spine.
Wow, it's all like titanium and stuff,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. And I'm also a senior advisor to the Trump administration.
Oh, wow.
I was on the advancement team and
Right here, good?
yeah, perfect.
Alrighty.
So what's all the kids going to jail?
You know, 911 Turbo S back there.
Wow.
SF90.
Wow. It's like heaven in here. Oh, man. Look at this old Corvette. I'm good. I appreciate it.
I'll be right back.
Yes, sir. Voila. Kickstand. Let's get a little before. Look at all that pollen. Absolutely disgusting. This car is basically green at this point. Disgusting. Let's get the scrubbing. All right, we just washed my girlfriend's car. Now we're gonna wash the Mustang. The before for the Mustang. This thing is just absolutely neglected. I mean, I haven't even started it in probably 2 months. So I really hope it starts. That's we're about to find out. So let's see. Let's set you guys down for a cold start. A 2 months cold start. So unfortunately, the first person view camera died. Maybe we'll do a little YouTube magic. All right. This is the after. A million times better. I don't know how to get this off, but I kind of want to take the whole wrap off anyway. So much better than all that pollen. All right. On the first lug nut, oh, we almost had a complete fucking disaster. But thank God we got it out. The fuck kind of dumbass shitty wheel spacers are these, bro? Fucking absolute fucking nightmare. Oh, damn, that kind of looks good.